This is example 5 on page 348. Factor out a common factor with a negative coefficient. For this example, it tells you to factor out, and the value you factor out has a negative value. It is a negative value, okay? So you factor a negative value this time. So let's see, solution. Very similar. You look at the number, for this case, coefficient, okay, for this first term, and constant right here for the second term. What is the largest common factor? This number is smaller, right? 4. This number is 24. Now, you know that 24 is equal to 4 times 6 is 24, right? If you have a hard time, you can do this, okay? 2, 12, factor again, you have 6, factor again, you have 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So our factors of 24. Okay, that's one way you can try. But if you can see it right away, you don't have to. Like 4, right? And 24. 4 times 6 is 24. You know that the largest common factor for these two numbers, 4 and 24, is 4. Okay. But you don't see it, that's fine. You can factor out and find all the primes factor of 24, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Do you see that 2 times 2 is 4? So 4 and 4s are the largest. These two 4 is actually the largest common factor of these terms, okay? So let me factor out the 4. Now, read the question. They say that factor out a common factor with a negative, okay, a negative coefficient. So they want you to factor out the larger common factor, but that value has to be negative, okay? So I factor negative 4 this time. All right, same procedure. Now, be careful. Once you factor a negative side, this side right here may be changed. So that's what I don't want to write right away, okay? If you factor a positive number, the sign right here will stay. But when you factor a negative number, you have to be careful. The sign between these two terms inside parentheses may be changed. All right. So factor out the negative 4. Remember, this first term is negative 4x. So you need to ask yourself, negative 4 times what equal to negative 4x, okay? So negative 4 times what would make it equal to negative 4x. Look like it's multiplied by x, right? Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. All right? Now, this is the negative side right here, right? So you need to figure out negative 4 times what? Guarantee you still have negative 24, okay? So negative 4 times what equal to negative 24, okay? Look like you got to multiply by 6, right? Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. So times 6, okay? Negative 4 times 6, but plus. Because 6, right? 6 is the positive value. Negative 4 times the positive value, okay? Equal to, you see that? Negative 4 times the positive value is equal to negative 24. So that means I need to put the value 6 right here, but got to be a positive value, positive, okay? So be careful. After you factor a negative value, this side between these two terms will be changed, okay? Because when you factor a negative value out, you will change the sign. All right, so let's check. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x, right? Negative 4 times 6 is what? Negative 24. So this is the answer for factoring this polynomial, okay? The answer is negative 4 times parenthesis x plus 6.